welcome back in the next video of the class 7th subject English and poem chapter 3 The Alien, written by Richard McWilliam. Dear students, if you have seen the previous video in which I explained first 9 lines regarding the poem Alien, in which you heard how the poet is presenting the psychology of a child, of children in the school, and how he exhibits the things may happen with the presence of alien. Now I have written next lines for which I'm going to explain these lines, and then we'll talk about poetic devices in it. So let's begin. The Alien. From 9th line, from 10th line, imagine if the teacher came out instead and shouted, "Oh, you there, you with the 6 legs, yes, you, get back where you came from now, this instant." What do you think it would do? Would it sit there humming before gently lifting off and floating away back into space? Now I've written again 10th, 11th line, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th and 16th. Now it's time to discuss what the poet meant by saying these lines of the poem. Imagine if the teacher came out. Now remember the previous line, the 9th line, was that to see if they got eaten. So now what could happen if you see the alien landed in the playground? Imagine if the teacher came out instead. Now nothing happened. No student threw ball, nobody poked, nobody pushed any shorty, fatso, snotty student forward. Imagine nothing happened there, because if the teacher came out instead, and instead of these things, instead of these things, the teacher came out in the playground and shouted. Why teacher shouted? Because of the alien. What did the teacher say? Teacher said, "Oh, you there, you with the 6 legs, yes, you." So here there is emphasis that how teacher commands. Imagination. This is the way teacher commands. Yes, you there, the one you are standing there, you with the 6 legs. And who is with the 6 legs? Tell me in the comment. You with the 6 legs, yes, you. Now teacher is commanding the alien that, yes, you, listen to me. And what the teacher said? Get back where you came from now. Teacher is the authority there in the presence of students, and the teacher is commanding, get back, go back. Where you came from means wherever you came from. You came from any planet, you came from other place, get back now. Now means right now the teacher instructs. Suppose this would happen, this would happen this instant, and at this moment of time, quickly, what do you think it would do? Now this it is for the alien. And what do you think if suppose things happen like these? The teacher came out, the teacher shouted, teacher commanded the alien, get back with the 6 legs, yes, you, get back where you came from. Then what do you think it would do? Now you tell me. Imagine what would the alien do if some teacher in the playground command the alien to get back where it came from? What would the alien do? Now alien is supposed to be with some power. right? They have some power, they have, you know, strength, some magic in them. Would it sit? Now again imagine, would it sit? Means, would it not move? Would it not go? Would it sit? There means that place where it landed. Humming. What do you mean by humming? Humming is the buzzing sound. We are supposed to imagine the alien with the power of flying, or suppose if it is some kind of insect, then insect when it flies does this sound of humming. If you see a fly, when it, you know, flies around you, you see the sound is humming, that echoes, that is humming. So do you think, would it sit there humming? Do you think if the teacher commanded the alien to get back where it came from, so would it sit there humming? Before gently lifting off, gently means kindly, I mean he will listen the alien, he will listen the teacher, the alien will listen the teacher, and gently, kindly, without any harm, lifting off means above the ground, lift means to push himself or to be in the air, not on the ground, off, and floating away back into space, question mark. Now it means, would it happen this way, that it will lift itself off and it will float, that spacecraft in which the alien came, it would, you know, again be in the air, and it will float away back into space. Space means sky, from where the alien came. Do you think this would happen? Now these are these lines and explanation. I hope you have understood it. If not, you can watch this video again. Now, if you have seen the previous video, you must have seen that we talked about some poetic devices from this poem. Now, in these lines, what poetic device can be seen? Only one. The poetic device is repetition. Now, first of all, recall your memory. I have discussed repetition in the previous video. This is part 2. So in previous video we learned repetition is a word. Repetition is the poetic device. It's a word which has been repeated in one line. Now line number 11. Go to line number 11, and here we are. And the line, in this line, which word has been repeated? You. Yeah. Oh, you there. You with the 6 legs. Yes, you. The you word. You here, and you there. So we see that you word has been repeated. So this is how we find that the poetic device in this poem and in these lines is 11th number line, and the word you has been repeated, means repetition is the poetic device which has been used in it. Now dear students, up to here we are keeping this explanation of poem reading. We will continue in the next video. You please make your notes. Try to note down the numbers of line in the poem in your book, and try to read these lines again and understand the imagination. This is all about fantasy, imagination, contemplation. What would happen if you see an alien in the playground? Till then, take care. Bye bye.